What's up, guys? Sonny the Badger here. Time for my Friday free ride. But I want to start this Friday free ride out a little different than all my others, because as most of you know, today is 9/11. So 19 years ago, on this very day, I think all of our lives changed in different ways. I remember where I was at. I was actually in California with Mama Badger's family, visiting them because her grandma lived in California. And we got up that morning, went out for a walk, and heard the news. And so her grandma didn't watch TV. So literally we were trying to like hold the rabbit ears so we could see exactly what was going on. My oldest daughter was like 8 months old. We were getting ready to head to San Francisco for a couple days to do the tourist thing. We were gonna go see Alcatraz and everything. And I remember us going, they shut down all the airports, and we're like, so how are we gonna get home? Are we gonna have to rent a van and drive back to Missouri? I mean, what's gonna happen? Nobody knew, right? And then reports were that they were taking out major US monuments. So the Golden Gate Bridge might be one of those. So to say we were a little bit freaked out is an understatement. But on this day, a lot of families lost family. You think about all the heroes that rushed toward the disaster and not away from the disaster, right? And with all the turmoil that we have in our country right now, those are the type of things we gotta remember, right? When the chips are down, we all came together. We all worked toward one common thing. And like I said, while a lot of the civilians were running away from it, all our first responders, our firefighters, our policemen, our EMTs, they weren't thinking about themselves. They weren't thinking about their loved ones. They were going as fast as they could go into the danger to help as many civilians and people that were hurt as they possibly could. And many of them lost their lives. Many kids lost their mom, lost their dad. Not to mention all the people that died in the attack, but all the people that died rushing in, trying to save everybody that were in that attack. That's the stuff we as Americans and we as humans cannot forget. No matter what happens, that's the type of stuff we have to remember. Anyway, guys, I'm going to have a couple moments of silence, and then we'll get in to my Friday free ride. to my Friday free ride, where every week I take you on a ride with me and we talk motorcycles. First things first, if you guys love motorcycle videos, then please help our channel out. Hit that subscribe button. You can also click the bell icon if you would like to be notified every time we upload a new video. Of course, give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down and leave your comments. We respond to them all. Anyway, I thought a fitting subject for today would be made in the USA. Alright guys, so as all of you know, we have a couple of major motorcycle manufacturers here in the USA. Of course, Harley Davidson, and then Polaris Indian. Both really great bikes, both made in the United States, and some would argue, both American icons. For me personally, the new Indian isn't the old Indian, but that's just a personal opinion. I've been pretty adamant in all of my videos, I'm a Harley guy. Just something about them I love. Literally today, I'm taking off from my house, riding down the street. I hadn't turned the camera on yet. Just went and got some gas. Pull up to a stoplight, and this gentleman pulls up beside me in a silver car, rolls down the window, gives me 2 thumbs up, and tells me what a beautiful bike I have. Now, I'm on my side chick today, the red and black 2005 CVO Fat Boy. And it is a beautiful bike, but man, all the Hondas, all the other bikes I've ever owned, I don't think I've ever had that type of reaction to my bike. And for me, that feeling is like no other. But anyway, back to American made. So, what I'm finding is, made in the USA is becoming more assembled in the USA with globally sourced parts. So the other day I was walking through the Harley Davidson dealership and decided, you know what, I'm gonna go look at parts. So I started going down the parts wall, and just for the heck of it, I started looking at the tags. And basically, I went down the entire parts wall. Made in Taiwan, made in China, made in Japan. Of all the parts, the only thing I found made in the USA were the hand grips. All the footboards, backrests, of course all the electrical stuff was all made in another country. And look, I get we live in a global economy now, and we're sending Harleys all over the world. People are sending parts for Harleys into the US. But I honestly figured that everything non-electronic would probably still be made in the USA. I was wrong. I'm pretty disappointed too. I don't know about Indian. So if you're an Indian guy, let me know in the comments. I may have to just go investigate myself. And I know you guys don't have a whole lot of accessories, but all the hand grips, floorboards, handlebars, all that stuff that you guys do have for Indians, where are those made at? Are they made in the USA? Or are they shipped in like the Harley stuff? Now don't get me wrong, I still love the Harley Davidsons, and I love that they're a USA company. But I don't know if made in the USA is the correct tag for our Harleys anymore. Maybe built in the USA? And that stinks. I would much rather know that everything but the electronics was made in the USA. There's got to be manufacturing companies in the USA that can make all these parts and everything for the Harleys. Just figured since I was on the USA kick today, I would kind of lay out my thoughts on Harley Davidson being made in the USA. Remember guys, it's not about the destination, it's all about the ride. See ya!